talk about writing. Do you like writing?
Obviously, as a big fan of writing, I always prefer to write a lot. Basically, I prefer to write several type of letters.
Do you write a lot?
To be honest with you, I always prefer to write a lot. For example, I am a content creator. I prefer to write not only on social media but also on other sites such as newspaper, magazine and so on. Even though whenever I try to read my academic books, I prefer to write because whenever I write a lot, it increases my brain and also boosts my energy.
Do you think that things you write would change?
Well, I strongly believe that I am writing a lot. The method would not be changed in future because I have unique style, shape and pattern to write a lot. And definitely I prefer to increase a lot how to write in short time. So I am writing a lot and the pattern would not be changed in future.
Do you prefer typing when you are writing?
Obviously, I prefer to typing whenever I writing because whenever I typing on computer, it is neat and clean, obviously. And secondly, I can save it not only on computer but also on drive. Even though it is very clear to find out the PDF file and it's never hesitate me. So of course I prefer to typing whenever I write.
Do you prefer handwriting when you are writing?
Well, I prefer handwriting whenever I writing because it has several type of opportunities. Firstly, I have available pace which is not very cost and definitely it is cheaper in our country. Secondly, I can save it on my drawer or rack. On the top of that, I can underline any difficult words and of course I can write down alternative meaning on the right side of the page. So definitely I prefer handwriting whenever I write.
Do you prefer typing or handwriting when you are writing?
Well, to be honest with you, I always prefer typing rather than handwriting because it has numerous advantages. Firstly, it is very neat and clean. Secondly, it can be searched or find out any hesitation or delay. On the top of that, I can save it not only on computer but also in Google Drive for the future. On the other hand, if I talk about handwriting, it can be damaged or spoiled after few days or few months. So obviously typing is very effective and alternative way to save our PDF file or Word file. So of course I always prefer typing rather than handwriting.
Do you think writing increased the knowledge?
Well, I strongly believe that whenever one person writing a lot, it increases the knowledge, obviously boost the power of brain. Because whenever I write a lot, definitely I can remember that content without delay or hesitation. On the top of that, all of my classmates are preferred to use writing because they always think they can remember any difficulties things whenever they writing.
Let's talk about social media. Do you like social media?
Obviously, I like social media on various reasons. Firstly, I like to communicate with others people like as neighbor, colleague, classmate and so on. Even though I can share my opinion or situation to others. So obviously I like social media.
Do your friend like using social media?
To be honest with you, my all friends are prefer to use social media. Firstly, they can communicate with their friends and relatives to share their situation and opinion. And secondly, they can find out the educational information on social platform like as Facebook and WhatsApp. Even though we already made a wonderful group whereas we can solve our daily problems which are related to the educational side, and for that reason we can bring a lot of marks in the examinations. So definitely me and my friends always using the social media.
When do you use social media?
Well, as far as I'm concerned, at the time of midnight, especially after 10 p.m., I prefer to use social platform because on that time I sat down to complete my homework. If I face any trouble to completing my homework without hesitation or delay, I inform the other friends on social platform like as WhatsApp or Facebook. So they always make a hand to overcome my situation. On the top of that, there have available teacher in my group who always help me to overcome the trouble. So for my educational purpose, I prefer to use social media.
Do you think your friends use too much social media?
Well, to be honest with you, my friends are using too much social platform. They are very addicted to the social platform like yes, Facebook because they are updated what they are doing, what they are eating, and how they are taking other steps on the social. So I think they always updated their information on social platform. Even though they share their information which would be helpful not only for the students but also for the whole classes in my countries. So I definitely think all of my friends are addicted too much on social platform.
Do you want to work in social media?
Definitely, I prefer to work on social media for various reasons. Firstly, there have enough opportunity to earn more and more. And secondly, there is no need to submit the CV to the authority. You can create several content and upload the video on social platform and earn handsome money. So I think it is an open space to work and earn more and more. For example, one of my cousin who always work on social media and create several type of content on the media, even though he earned a huge money which he always spent on his educational side. So I think social media is a big place to earn money. So definitely I try to work on social media.
What's the most popular social media in Bangladesh?
Well, to be honest with you, there have enough social sites in Bangladesh like as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp and so on. Among them, as far as I am concerned, Facebook is the most popular not only for the one reason but also whole reason in Bangladesh. They are using the Facebook for various reasons. Firstly, they are updating their information, what they are doing and how they are achieving their goal. Secondly, they can communicate with their others people like as sibling, neighbor, classmate and so on. Even though they are sharing their traveling situation on Facebook. So I think Facebook is the most popular site in Bangladesh.
Do you think social media would be more popular in future?
Definitely, social media would be more popular in future because all of my country's people are prefer to using social platform not only for their education but also other purposes. For example, if I talk about the student, they are completing their homework on social platform because they already made several type of group not only with their classmates but also with their teacher. So definitely they are finding information and solving their problems in social media. So I think social media would be more popular in future.
Do you think they have enough advantages to use social media?
Obviously, there have enough benefit to using the social media. Firstly, if I talk about the student, they can update their information on social media even though they can find out their class routine by using social site like as WhatsApp and Facebook. On the other hand, if I talk about the job holder, they can complete their work with the upper person by using social platform. So definitely there have enough advantages to use social media.
Do you think people are finding advantages by using social media?
To be honest with you, all classes in my country are finding enough benefit by using social media. Firstly, they can purchase their product on online by using social media. And secondly, they can find more information which are more valuable in their day-to-day life. On the top of that, citizens of my country find out valuable doctors and engineer suggestions on social platform. On the top of that, people can find the information what is happening not only in the country but also in whole world by using social platform. So definitely people can find a lot of advantages by using social platform.